How much they up now?
2-0.
So that's it. They gotta like
One more, they're good.
That's it, right?
Big Call of Duty fan? Alright guys, can you introduce yourself please and let everybody know who you are?
Who's on the other team? Who's on the other team? Is that Kevin Garnett?
Introduce yourself please. Are you a big Call of Duty fan?
Chris Bosh.
Alright, real quick Chris, how did that last one go? How are you feeling, you know, now that you got one game under your belt?
I feel better than I did before. I didn't do too good last one.
Alright, we want to hear you talk some smack to the guys. Let's use a rally of troops. You ready for game 2?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Let's do it.
Alright. Nice to meet you guys. I'm not too good, so. Hey, man.
Alright, while they're setting up, I'm just going to throw out a couple teams.
Welcome everybody to the Call of Duty Black Ops King of the Hill stage. This is an 8-player free-for-all format. First with 30 kills will be crowned king. If you remain king for 5 straight matches, you'll win yourself a prestige badge.
Uh-oh, King's down. That's not good.
Mark J.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for waiting in line here at
Me and Mark J made it to the final round.
Gauntlet.
We made it to the final
Where
round.
the says you're standing in line with 1, 2, 3, or 4 people.
We made it to the final round and we lost to some fucking camping ghost bitches.
Start on the bottom stage, down here with 16
Fucking
teams.
horrible.
The more that you win,